Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to do a deep dive into the subplots method of Pyplots from the matplotlib library. So, had an awesome question, and this individual has been very supportive, very thoughtful, tons and tons of good questions. So we are going to delve into it. So, all right. Basically, the premise of this is it is unpacking. So what the question was is why do we have two variables on this side of the assignment? And long and short of it is what pyplot. Well, let's just look at it. So, all right. And if you're new here, thanks for joining us. And if you've not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Trying something new, have a watermark. I think it's straight down right there. And just go ahead and click the subscribe button because we have videos coming out all the time. So let's see. Let's see if we need to move this over so we can read it. So what I'm going to, we can see it right here. So, all right. Fig, short for figure, and axis. So, all right. What this does is this returns, I hate that they changed the wording here, but it creates a figure and a set of subplots. So let's think about this and reword this. It returns a tuple of a figure, of the figure, and a set of subplots. So let's come over here and let's change this to just one variable. Plots, let's just copy this. Actually, let's just get rid of that and do this. So what this does, close that out. So fig, I want you to look real close. Here's our tuple, and here's our figure, and then there is our second variable that we're assigning to axis. So I'm going to put up right here packing and unpacking, so you can really go back and look at that. But I want you to so what this does is, since there is one object and two objects inside a tuple, Python remembers that. And the reason why you do this is because if I were to just do, let's say, this, I would if I wanted to do something with subplots and do the argument, I would have to do something along the lines of this. So then that's the breakout, and this becomes less readable, more confusing. So this is why we unpack it and leave it nice and neat, because what we're going to be doing very, very soon is we can break this out. We have this, and then we are going to begin to see all the things we can do with this object. That is the reason why we split this out. And fig is just sitting there, and we can reproduce the figure, and it just has one, and it's a 500 by 400. So, all right, that is the reason why we use two variables, because it is unpacking what subplots creates. It returns a figure and the subplot itself inside a tuple. So it's just unpacking. But I know somebody else had that question, so I want to say thank you very much. You guys are just doing, I can't say how awesome and how humbled, and I was just looking at the subscriber growth, and I'm just blown away. I mean, I knew I liked doing this. I was hoping it would be helpful. It is just turning out to be much bigger than I thought, and probably in the next year or so it's really going to start grabbing some traction. So as always, guys, this is your channel. Help me lead it where it needs to go, and you guys are doing that. Everything I ask, you guys are doing, and just it's very humbling, and it's makes me very happy that I'm able to help, and you guys are just continuously watching, and just very happy, very grateful. But I love being able to do this for you guys, and as always, if this is the type of video you like, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, let's try that new subscribe button straight down here inside the video. And please keep the comments, questions, and my absolute all-time favorite that you guys have been knocking out of the park, any video requests. And stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.